Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha and this is our sweet Valentine's Day episode. I've got a spicy one linked down below, you want to check that out. But today for our sweet Valentine's Day treat, we're going to be making mini heart-shaped cheesecakes. They are super easy, I make them every year and they're always a hit. They're super cute and I'm so excited to teach you guys how to make them. The next couple weeks I'll be trying some different things, some character rankings and unboxings, things like that. You're not going to want to miss it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let's get started. To bake our little cheesecakes, we're using this silicone heart-shaped pan from Wilton. You can find it online, you can find it at Michael's or Joann's, anywhere that Wilton products are sold. I have 2 of them. It's gonna make it a little bit easier for us to make a lot more, a lot faster. Let's start off with our crust. We got some blended up graham crackers, a little bit of cinnamon, and some melted butter just mixed together. And then I took a measuring spoon, spooned it into the pans, and pressed it in there. After we get it set, going into the fridge. You're gonna make your filling with 2 bricks of cream cheese and 1 cup of sugar to start. So this cream cheese is perfect. You can see there's no lumps or anything, just a little bit of the sugar in there. That means it's at perfect temperature. You really want the cream cheese to be at room temperature, otherwise you're gonna have lumps, and no matter what you do, you're never gonna get them out. So this looks really good. We just got our sugar in there. Then we're gonna add in our eggs, sour cream, and vanilla. So as Video Sam said, we're adding in 3 eggs, a pint of sour cream, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Getting it nice and smooth. We're gonna separate it into 4 bowls, and then add in our 4 different food colorings. Boom, look at that. Perfect colors, and then you're gonna just portion them out into your little molds. And then when it's time to bake, we're going to stick them in a water bath. So these are roasting pans I filled with water, placed in the oven previously. I had a little bit extra filling, so I decided to make a tie-dye cheesecake like you could find at the Pop Century. And this is pretty easy, really. You just kind of put in all the colors into a cheesecake pan. Bake it same way with the hot water, put a little swirl in it, maybe about 30 minutes in the oven. I baked the minis for about 20-22 minutes. You're going to let them cool at room temperature for about an hour. Then after that hour, you're going to stick them in the freezer for another 2 hours. I've done it, friends. I've made the world's thinnest cheesecake. But it looks pretty. After the 2 hours in the freezer, you should be able to pop them out pretty quickly and easily with no issues. Once you get them all out, we are going to begin putting our writing on them, and boom. I used red buttercream for this. You can use red food coloring in a paintbrush if you wish. Tell me these are not like the cutest little Valentine treats ever. I'm so excited to try them for you guys. They turned out amazing. I am super happy with them. Let's go taste. All right, I'm gonna eat the one that I put my name on. Oh, it's cute. It's so pretty, and look at the edges came out so nice and clean. I'm super happy with how these turned out. There's a lot of work and it's really time consuming, but they're super, super cute. So let's just make sure they taste good. Boom, right through it. Look at that, nice, clean. Baked all the way through. You love to see it. And it's so silky. There's just a little bit of cinnamon in the crust. Yeah. These are really good. Bam, another perfect clean cut. Look at that. You love to see it. My sweet dish turned out wonderful. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out that spicy video if you haven't already. Link for that is down below. Leave me a note in the comments. If you were giving your Valentine a little candy heart cheesecake, what would it say on it? Thank you so much again. Have a magical day.